Welcome to another SMC technical training video. In this video, we will set up the EtherNet module for the IO-Link master, enabling the PF3W7, SE70, SE70G, and other IO-Link devices. During the video, we will show you the equipment and software you will need and show you step-by-step how to complete it. In the end, we will have water recirculation circuit monitoring activity through IO-Link control from PF3W7 and SE70 port process data. Let's get started. These are the parts and additional equipment that you will need to add to your fluid and air circuits for operation control when your module is ready. You'll need a PC, software, and network communication as well. Please review the IO-Link PF3W7 and SE70 hardware setup video prior to this one. Also, check out the PF3W7 SE70 network and IP address video before proceeding. First, complete the air tubing circuit between the ITV SE70 valve manifold and the process pump. Also, complete water suction and return tubing between the pump, PF3W7 SE70G, and the fluid reservoir. Close the AS fluid flow control 100% before proceeding. With the ITV turned off, turn on your air source and power. Check that the SE70 is pressurized. If so, double-check that all circuits are protected from water leakage before proceeding. Now, let's set up the IO-Link master for the PLC. Download the EDS file from the IO-Link master manufacturer. Also, download all necessary files for PLC access support, referring to manufacturer specifications. Then, with the IO-Link network running, start a session of Studio 5000. And select and add the IO-Link master EDS file. Then click Finish. Right-click on the EtherNet scanner in the controller organizer and select New Module. Isolate and select the commercial IO-Link master brand. Then, in the Select Module Type table, highlight the IO-Link master model and click Create. In the New Module table, first enter the IP address previously set for the unit. Then enter the desired unit name. Before moving on, click Change, then change the data type to integer, then click OK. Then save the program and go into Who Active, and highlight and download it to the PLC. Make sure you follow the screen to complete the download. Then change the program over to Run mode. And finally, we will go into the controller tags. Note the tag device descriptions that were added as helpful labels for the IO-Link master port functions. Now, with the ITV on via its output register and the SE70 pressurized, slowly open the AS fluid flow control inline to the pump. Water will recirculate through the pump as the suction and return lines share the reservoir. Now, the PF3W7 should register fluid flow and temperature on its screen, as well as on its bit indicators. Also, the SE70G will register fluid pressure through its visual and process data. Fine-tune your circuits through the operation manual or quick guides. Now we can see that the fluid recirculation monitoring application is running through the PF3W7, SE70, SE70G, and IO-Link control. We hope you found this video useful. Look for our other technical training videos to assist in controlling your automation processes.